Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and I'll show you how to turn off the phone. In order to turn off the phone, you should press the power key button here on the right side of your phone for a few seconds. And after that, you'll see the power off menu. You should click here once on the power off menu, and that's it. Also, we got the second way how we can do that. Just open the notification panel, and right there you'll see the power off icon. Just click here on this icon, and you'll see also the power off menu. Click here on the power off icon and tap it again here. Wait a second, and now as can you see, the screen is dark. This means that your device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.